Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Steffi Marie. So today we're just cleaning up my living room. Thought I'd give you a little overview of what it looks like right now, and we will go ahead and get started. And the first thing I do is just pick up all the pillows and blankets on the couch, just make sure nothing is hiding under it. All right, and then I start off small. I just start by picking up all of the items that do not belong in the living room and putting them away where they belong. So any clothes, they go back in the laundry, dishes, everything that don't belong in the living room, I just take them out of the living room and put them where they belong. All right, and then here you can see I'm trying to figure out what to do next, but it looks like I just ended up picking up some of the baby toys and dusting off the couch. The window was open the night before and it was very, very windy, so a lot of dust and debris flew into the living room and onto the couch. All right, now it's time to start picking up all of the toys, and I do start moving the little play area tubes. I don't know what they're called, the play area. Start picking them up and folding them away as well, because I do plan on sweeping the floor and mopping, because it's been about a week since I last mopped. All right, and now it's time to sweep the floors. So I don't get under the couch every day. I do that typically when I deep clean every couple weeks, but time to sweep the floor, and then I will get out a duster and start dusting off the entertainment center, because a lot of dust and dog fur built up on the entertainment center as well. And once I'm done, I'm going to pull out the steam mop and start mopping the floor. right, we are all done. So I thought I'd show you what the living room looks like right now. And if you made it all the way to the end of this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to leave a comment down below. I do enjoy supporting other YouTubers, so leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to check you out. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.